Okay, good morning students. Yesterday we completed the Cartesian product. Today we will discuss about definition of relations. Okay, just we have to revise once again relation definition. You already studied in relations in first year. So just now you have to revise once again. So what do you mean by relations? A relation R from set A into set B is a subset of A cross B. This is very important. Is a subset of A cross B. If a A, B belongs to R, then we write A related to B and say A is R related to B. Okay, very simple. Relation means it is a subset of Cartesian product. Right? It is a subset of Cartesian product and relation R from set A into set B. Set A into set B is a subset of A cross B. Okay. So next some example related to relation. See what is the given? If A is equal to set of 1, 2, 3 and B is equal to set of 4, 6 and one relation is given. That is R is equal to set of A comma B such that A divides B condition. Okay, A divides B. So first of all you can find out Cartesian product A cross B. A cross B means 1, 4, 1, 6, 2, 4, 2, 6, 3, 4, 3, 6. Here one Cartesian product you can find out first. Afterwards here one condition is given. A divides B. It means A divides B means it should be B by A. A divides B means B by A. So that type of element you can take divides value. See here 1, 4 that is 4 by 1 pair. 1, 6 that is 6 by 1. 2, 4 that is 4 by 2 means 4 by 2 means if we simplify we get 2. 2, 6 that is 6 by 2. If we simplify it we get 3. 3, 4. Okay, 3, 4 means 4 divided by 3. It is not divisible by 3. So that's why don't take this one. So similarly last one 3, 6, 6 by 3. So we get the relation 1, 4, 1, 6, 2, 4, 2, 6 and 3, 6. So these all elements should be present in Cartesian product. So that's why it is a subset of Cartesian product. So you can remember that one. Relation is a subset of Cartesian product. Okay. So now you can solve the problems on relations. So, right. So here what is the given? If A is equal to set of 1, 2, 3, 4, let R be a relation defined by R is equal to A, B such that A, B belongs to A divides B. See here, first you can write given value. What is the given? A is equal to set of 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay. So first of all you have to find out Cartesian product is A cross A is equal to 1, 2, 3, 4 cross 1, 2, 3, 4. So we get 1, 1, 1, 2, 1, 3, 1, 4, 2, 1, 2, 2, 2, 3, 2, 4. Next 3, 1, 3, 2, 3, 3, 4. Next 4, 1, 4, 2, 4, 3, 4, 4. Okay. So here you find the value A cross A, that is Cartesian product. Now here what is the given relation? A, B such that A, B belongs to A divides B. That is A divides B means it means B by A. So that type of value you can take here. Say 1, 1. So means you can it is divisible. 1 by 1 is 1 only. 1, 2 that is 2 by 1. 1, 3 that is 3 by 1. 1, 4 that is 4 by 1. But here 2, 1 is there. If you take A divides B will be 1 by 2. So 1 by 2 should be in the answer decimal. So that's why don't take this value. Similarly next 2 comma 2. 2 by 2 is equal to 1. Again it is 3 by 2. Next 2 comma 4. 2 comma 4 means 4 by 2. 4 by 2 value is 2. Next this is not possible because 1 by 3. This is also not possible because 2 by 3. So this one 3 comma 3 because 3 by 3 is equal to what? 1. Next this is 4 by 3. 4 by 3 is not divisible by 3. So that's why it is not take. It is also not possible. It is also not possible because 2 by 4. 2 by 4 means we get the answer 1 by 2. It is also possible, not possible. Next last one is 4 comma 4. Okay. So now you can check it. All elements should be present in Cartesian product. So that's why it is called what? Subset of a Cartesian product. Right? Okay, now second problem. Say what is the given? Let A is equal to set of 2 comma 3 comma 4 and B is equal to set of 2 comma 3 comma 5, and if here A and B condition is given, R is equal to X comma Y such that X belongs to A, Y belongs to B and X less than Y. Second one, R2 is equal to A comma B such that A belongs to capital A, B belongs to capital B, A square is equal to B. Here one relation is given, X less than Y. Here another one relation is given, A square is equal to B. Okay. So first given value, what is the given? A is equal to set of 2 comma 3 comma 4 and B is equal to set of 2 comma 3 comma 5. So before finding the relation, first you have to find out the Cartesian product, that is A cross B. So A cross B is equal to 2 comma 2, 2 comma 3, 2 comma 5. Similarly next 3 comma 2, 3 comma 3, 3 comma 5. Next 4 comma 2, 4 comma 3, 4 comma 5. Okay, this is the Cartesian product. Now you can find out the relation. First what is the given? R1 is equal to X comma Y such that X belongs to A, Y belongs to B, X less than 1. Okay. So what is the given here condition? X less than Y. So means Y value should be bigger, X value should be smaller. So this type of pair you can take. Here both are equal. It is not possible because what is the given? Less than is given symbol. Here it is possible because X is small, Y is bigger. Similarly 2 comma 5. Next here 3 comma 2 is there. X value bigger, Y value is smaller. It is not possible. It is equal. It is not possible. 3 comma 5 possible because X is small, Y is bigger. Next 4 comma 2, it is also not possible because X bigger, Y small value. It is also not possible because X bigger, Y small. It is possible, that is 4 comma 5. So we get the relation 2 comma 3, 2 comma 5, 3 comma 5, 4 comma 5. Here another one concept, domain. You already studied in first year. In relation, how to find a domain value? In ordered pairs. In ordered pairs, you can take first element. You can take first element. What is the first element here? 2, 3, 4. That is the domain. Those who are repeated values there, you can write only one time. And range. Range means those who are second element is there, that you can take, that is only 2 value, that is 3 comma 5. Repeated value can be written only one time. Okay. So we get the relation 2 comma 3, 2 comma 5, 3 comma 5, 4 comma 5. Right. So next similarly another problem is the second B. What is the given? R2 is equal to A comma B such that A belongs to B, B belongs to A square is equal to B. So you can check one's conditions. Okay, you can check one condition. What is the given? A square is equal to B is given. So that type of value is there, you have to check it. So here A square value, that is there any value? That type of value, is there any value? No. So that's why you can write this one is null set. Okay. Okay. Next, another example, third one. Here given value, question is what is the given? Let A is equal to set of 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Then define a relation R from E to A by R is equal to x comma y such that y equal to x plus 1. Right? So first given value you can write. Given is E is equal to set of 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay, as usual method, first you can find out Cartesian product. So A set is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 cross. Again A set is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Now find out the Cartesian product. 1 comma 1, 1 comma 2, 1 comma 3, 1 comma 4, 1 comma 5, 1 comma 6. Next second element 2 comma 1, 2 comma 2, 2 comma 3, 2 comma 4, 2 comma 5, 2 comma 6. Next third element 3 comma 1, 3 comma 2, 3 comma 3, 3 comma 4, 3 comma 5, 3 comma 6. Similarly, next 4 comma 1, 4 comma 2, 4 comma 3, 4 comma 4, 4 comma 5, 4 comma 6. Similarly, next 5 comma 1, 5 comma 2, 5 comma 3, 5 comma 4, 5 comma 5, 5 comma 6. Next 6 comma 1, 6 comma 2, 6 comma 3, 6 comma 4, 6 comma 5, 6 comma 6. Okay. Now you find it A cross A. Now what is the given relation? R is equal to set of x comma y such that y equal to x plus 1. Right? Y is equal to x plus 1. Okay. For example, here if x is equal to 1, what is the y value? 2. That type of value you can take that one. Here if you put x is equal to 1, y should be 2, that is this value. Next, if you put x is equal to 2, what is their value? 3. 2 comma 3. This one. If you put x is equal to 3, what is their value? 3 comma 4. If you put x is equal to 4, what is the y value? 5. That is 4 comma 5. If you put y is equal to 5, x is equal to 5, we get y value should be 6, that is 5 comma 6. Okay. If you put x is equal to 6, what is their value? 7. It is not there in the Cartesian product. 6 comma 7 not there in the Cartesian product. So that 5 you can stop there only. So we get the answer 1 comma 2, 2 comma 3, 3 comma 4, 4 comma 5, 5 comma 6. Okay. Okay. Next, another problem. Solve some different problem is there. Here what is the given? R is a relation on the set of natural numbers by R is equal to set of x comma x plus 5 such that x belongs to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Here what is the given? So A set means only the given natural number and x belongs set of 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Here you can find out first Cartesian product, but it will be lengthy. There is no end because natural number is given. Okay, so that's why you can find out direct relation. So what is the given relation? R is equal to set of x comma x plus 5 such that x belongs to set of 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Very simple. Here x value is given. Here x value is given. That value should be substituted here. If x is equal to 1, what about this one? 1 plus 5 means 6. Next x is equal to 2. 2 plus 5 means 7. Next x is equal to 3. 3 plus 5 means 8. If you put x is equal to 4. 4 plus 5 means 9. If you put x is equal to 5. 5 plus 5 means 10. So we get the relation 1 comma 6, 2 comma 7, 3 comma 8, 4 comma 9, 5 comma 10. Okay. So another one problem, same method. Here what is the given? R is the relation defined on the set n of natural numbers by R is equal to x comma x cube such that x is a prime number less than 10. So here A set means only they given what? Natural number. So means if you find out the Cartesian product, it should be very lengthy. Okay, it is not in the value. So that's why you can find the relation directly. And another condition, what is they given? X is a prime number. X is a prime number less than 10. So that is what value will come? X is equal to 2, prime number 2, 3, 5, 7. Okay, x is equal to 2, 3, 5, 7. And what is the given relation? X comma x cube such that x is a prime number less than 10, right? So we know that x is a prime number less than 10 value, that is 2, 3, 5, 7. Here in place of x substitute 2, we get here 2 cube. Another one 3 cube. Next 5 cube. 7 cube. If you simplify, we get 2 comma 8, 3 comma 27, 5 comma 125, 7 comma 343. Okay, so we get the solution relation 2 comma 8, 3 comma 27, 5 comma 125, 7 comma 343. Okay, next another problem. If R is a relation on N, the set of natural numbers defined by R is equal to set of x comma y such that x plus 2y equal to 9 is given. First of all, you write given value. Here A set is the what they given? A natural number, and relation is x comma y such that x plus 2y equal to 9. Okay, here there is no given condition. So means just you have to verify. Here what is the given? X plus 2y is equal to 9 is given. 2y is equal to 9 minus x. Now you can put the natural number. You can put the natural number first. If you put x is equal to 1, we get 8 raised 1 comma 4. If you simplify, y is equal to 4. That is 1 comma 4. 1 will get. If you put here, we get the answer 9. Similarly, you can take second one. 2y is equal to 9 minus x. If you put 2, we get 7. So y is equal to 7 by 2. It is not belongs to natural number. So means here there is no ordered pair. Similarly, take another one. 2y minus 9 minus x. If you put 3, we get 6. So y is equal to 3. It is belongs to natural number. So that is 3 comma 3. Similarly, you can get another two values 7 comma 1, 7 comma 1 and another one is 5 comma 2. So therefore we get the relation R is equal to 1 comma 4, 3 comma 3, 7 comma 1 and another one is 5 comma 2. So we get the value 1 comma 4, 3 comma 3, 7 comma 1, 5 comma 2. Right? Another one problem. Write the following relation R from the set A to set B, and A is equal to set of 5, 6, 7, 8, B is equal to set of 10, 12, 15, 16, 18, and relation what is the given? R is equal to set of x comma y such that x divides y. So first you have to write given value. So A is equal to set of 5, 6, 7, 8, B is equal to set of 10, 12, 15, 16, 18. First of all, as usual method, here you can find out Cartesian product, that is A cross B. So you can find out Cartesian product. First one we get 5 comma 10, 5 comma 12, 5 comma 15, 5 comma 16, 5 comma 18. Similarly next 6 comma 10, 6 comma 12, 6 comma 15, next 6 comma 16, 6 comma 18. Next, similarly you can find out another third element, whole B set, 7 comma 7 comma 10, 7 comma 12, 7 comma 15, 7 comma 16, 7 comma 18. Next, 8 comma 10, 8 comma 12, 8 comma 15, 8 comma 16, 8 comma 18. Okay. Now you can find the relation. What is the given relation? R is equal to set of x comma y such that x divides y. It means y by x. Okay. X divides y means y by x. So that type of pair you can take x divides y. X divides y. Is it possible 5 comma 10? This one and 5 comma 15 and next 6 comma 12. Next okay, 5 comma 15, 6 comma 12, 6 comma 18, 8 comma 16. So write down 5 comma 10, 5 comma 15, next 6 comma 12, next 6 comma 18, next 8 comma 16. Okay, ready. Okay, another one different problem. Here what is the given? Find the inverse relation. Very important concept. This concept will ask in CET examination. Find the inverse relation or inverse for R is equal to what is the given? 1 comma 2, 1 comma 3, 2 comma 3, 3 comma 2, 5 comma 6. And another one condition, x comma y such that y equal to x minus 3. Okay, so first write given value. What is the given? First A bit, R is equal to set of 1 comma 2, 1 comma 3, 2 comma 3, 3 comma 2, 5 comma 6. Okay, now you can find out R inverse. Very simple. R inverse means you can interchange the domain and range. Again I will repeat. R inverse means you can interchange the domain and range. 1 comma 2 is there, you can write that one. 2 comma 1. 1 comma 3 is there, you can write that one. 3 comma 1. 2 comma 3 is there, you can write that one. 3 comma 2. 3 comma 2 is there, you can write that one. 2 comma 3. Similarly 5 comma 6 is there, you can write that one 6 comma 5. This is the R inverse. Similarly you can find out second one, R is equal to set of x comma 1 such that y equal to x minus 3. But x belongs to what is the given? 11, 12, 13. Y belongs to what is the given? 8, 10, 12. Okay. So if you find out x is equal to, substitute here x is equal to 11. So we get the value 11 minus 3 means 11 minus 3. 11 minus 3 means we get 8. Right? Next, if you put 12, 12 minus 3 means we get 9. If you put 13, 13 minus 3 means we get 10. Okay? But here, in second one, it is not possible because 9 is not present in y set. 9 is not present in y set. So that's why you can take only 2, 11 comma 8, 13 comma 10. So its R inverse is 8 comma 11, 10 comma 13. Okay, right. Okay, so today we discussed about the relations, definitions and their related problems. Tomorrow I will start the second year syllabus, that is types of relations. Okay, thank you.